This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by setting up only what moves work forward. Open your spreadsheet, load the first source file, and create a clear header row. Once done, map 3-5 fields to capture per record so you avoid overload. Make sure to set cell formats now, dates, currency, text, because consistent formatting prevents rework. Start entering the first 10 records to establish rhythm. Use copy-paste for identical blocks and keyboard shortcuts to save minutes. Once you have momentum, organize work into focused blocks. One block for raw entry, another for verification, and a last for formatting. Use find, replace, and basic formulas to standardize entries, and run simple macros for repetitive patterns. Make sure to verify 1 out of every 20 rows immediately to catch systematic errors early. If you spot a pattern of mistakes, pause, correct the template, and reprocess only the affected range rather than all data. To finish, perform a final audit. Filter for blanks, sort key columns, and remove duplicates. Export to the client's required format once clean. Make sure to timestamp the file name and save a backup copy. If errors appear, isolate problematic rows and log the issue with source references so you can correct efficiently. One key troubleshooting tip: if massive corruption occurs, revert to the last backup and reapply only the most recent, verified changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.